Good morning and most welcome to my YouTube channel Speak English Easily. My name is Sanjay. Today I'll inform you about the acronyms and its meaning. So our topic is important abbreviations for call center. So in the left side I'll inform the acronym and the right side I'll inform the meaning. So in this case I'll provide you 1 or 2 seconds to guess the meaning. Let's start. ACD, automatically call distributor. ACW, after call work. AST, average handle time. ANI, automatic number identification. API, automatic programming interface. ASR, automatic speech recording. BC, business continuity. DR, disaster recovery. BPO, business process outsourcing. CRM, customer relationship management. CSAT, customer satisfaction. CTI, computer telephony integration. DID, direct inward dialing. DMS, document management system. DNIS, dial number identification service. EWT, expected wait time. FCR, first call resolution. IVR, interactive voice response. NPS, net promoter score. QM, quality monitoring. SBR, skill based routine. WFO, workforce optimization. AR, abandonment rate. QA, quality analysis. TL, team leader. IB, inbound. BUQS, blended universal queue system. CR, call recording. CB, chatbot. ICR, intelligent call router. IDS intraday statistic, KMS knowledge management system, WT rep time, WSS web self-service, SLA service level agreement, TAT turn around time, ZTP zero tolerance policy, PIP performance improvement plan, OB outbound, ATL ask to leave. So thank you very much, my dear friend, for watching this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for those people who are working in BPO call centers, because these acronyms are very useful for them. So thank you very much again. Thank you. Have a lovely day.